Gunny here. My friends and I at Tru-Spec want to tell you about a great Tru-Spec product. Pay attention.
Introducing the new Trek Sling Pack. This 11-liter compact sling pack allows you to quickly and easily access your gear without having to remove the pack. The Trek Sling is constructed from 100% durable nylon, with an air mesh back panel and adjustable sling strap that allows you to carry the pack on either shoulder. A highlight of the Trek Sling are the 3 concealed carry options hidden within the pack. Additional features include interior elastic for securing magazines, external universal strapping, and a padded tablet sleeve. The Tru-Spec Trek Sling Pack is available in black, coyote tan, and light gray. To see this product and more, visit Tru-Spec.com.